Hello and welcome back to Fresh BCSC Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the new Itslearning features as a part of the February Itslearning update. And this new feature is really helpful for our users, whether you're teachers or students who use the planner or Itslearning Plans to organize your course. As you remember, this is one of the two ways that you could organize your course as a part of the new course templates we use this school year. You could use either folders and pages or the plans, and this is specifically helpful if you're using plans. So the Itslearning Plans feature allows you to organize your course elements all into a lesson plan, and that plan has a topic, which is kind of like the name of your lesson or your unit, depending on how you organize it, and also has resources that you would add associated to that lesson. So examples here could be adding pages, Itslearning assignments, tests, all of those component pieces to this. The new feature on Itslearning allows you to search through your plan. So if you're like this teacher and you organize your plans and you have all of this wonderful content and things on there, sometimes it can be hard to find things really quickly when you need them. And this is a feature your students could also use if they know the name of the specific lesson or topic, or maybe if they know the goal and instructions related to that topic. So what we could do here is the Itslearning search field up here allows you to search through the plan. And it's only going to search in certain fields. It's going to search the topic name here, the name of the plan, or the goal and instructions. So if your students know keywords from there, they can typically find that. So if they're looking for intro, you can search through there, and then any other items that say intro in those areas. See, here's another part. It's the A and B day for this high school teacher. You can see those components there. So it's just another way for your students and for you as the teacher to navigate and find resources a little bit more quickly rather than scrolling through all of these items. You can't search through resources and activities from the search field yet. And if I wanted to search for another thing, I could just do clear search. However, if I did want to search and find a specific name of an assignment on an Itslearning course, or if I know there's a specific test that my teacher put on here and I need to make that up or find it, you can search through the Itslearning Resources here, and it's basically going through any name of an element that you have here. So it can be a homework assignment, anything along those lines. Teachers have access to that. Students have access to this search field as well. However, they can only search for things that are active. So if they're trying to find something that the teacher has turned off, then they don't have that function available to them. So I've toggled over into a student view right now so I can search through my teacher's plan. And if I click on resources, then I can search through here, but I'm only gonna be able to search through active things. So again, that's another helpful feature on Itslearning in February. If you have questions, please let us know.